Start off with, you will need to grab the correct size of center drill. It just needs to be slightly bigger than the hole that you will be drilling because the chamfer needs to be on the edge. First thing to do is grab your center drill and just put it in your chuck here. Don't forget to tighten it with your chuck key right here. The next step is to move your chuck closer to your workpiece. Once you move the chuck closer, don't forget to tighten your tailstock to your bed. Now that I have everything secured, I'm going to turn the lathe on and move the chuck into the workpiece. The center drill is going to create a starting hole and chamfer the edge at the same time. This will create an accurate hole for the drill to go through. Now that you've created your starter hole, it's time to remove the center drill. So I'm going to back out the tailstock and just remove the center drill. This is what you should end up with. It is just a chamfered hole, and this serves as a starting point for a drill bit to go into. It'll lead it in and track accurately. And that's all there is to using a center drill to start a pilot hole. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful and do-it-yourself how-to videos.